Are you ready to find out what's going on in the Las Vegas market? Just so you know, I'm not doing this on my group because Facebook and Be Live are not working as a team right now. And the workaround I tried this morning didn't work. So anyway, let's see what's going on in Las Vegas. And I will tell you that we're going to see what the interest rates are going to do. And here we go. Here we are. Now, if you watched Bold Predictions yesterday, you saw where the interest rates are going. So we're going to look at that in just 1 minute. But first of all, we have 5,375 available high-rises, condos, single-family homes, and townhomes on the market. And that's 65 or 80 days of inventory based on 67 sales per day. And we get that figure from the November, where we ended up doing 67 sales a day, which was just 2 less than we did in 2022. Speaking of 2022, in December, we had done 669 sales as of the December 12th, 2022. This year, we have done 642. Now, we are down to 21 sales per day. The market is really down. And if you listened to Buffini yesterday, he told you that the market's down 23% overall for the year. And I would say that that's pretty accurate. If we look at the single family homes in the $455,000 range that are available on the market, it's 1,388. And that's about 35% of the market. And we just listed 22 yesterday. So we continue to feed the market with homes that are new to the market. Now, I have up there that the median price is $455,000, and that's based on November's figure. But I'm here to tell you today that the first 12 days of December, we are looking at $445,000. And if you're out there selling homes and listing homes, I'm sure it's a challenge because that's like a big drop in, the value of somebody's home. $10,000 is a lot of money. If it was $455,000 and now it's $445,000, that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. And when you get up into the higher prices, it even gets a little bit different. I know we have a listing right now, and this gentleman I've known, my God, since 1998. And so we're very good friends. And, I just reach out to him and say, please just lower your price a little bit or accept the next offer. We've had several offers where we've had lots of showings, and I'm just bringing this up because I'm sure you're having the same issue. Sellers still think their homes are worth what they were worth maybe last year. Well, it has changed. Just figure out how you're going to tell them that. And if you show the market statistics, I think that will really help. It always does when you're the knowledge broker. Going into the $1 million home stats, they're still selling at 4 per day. We have sold 1,286 this year so far. And today we have $751 million plus homes on the market. That number has remained consistent over the last year. Since the beginning of January, it has remained consistent. Within, I think we went down to 3.8, but we're still in that 4 area. Now, when we look at the investors have waned a little bit. The year-to-date daily sales are 21. Now, I don't know if you heard the politics the other day about the hedge funds buying investment properties, but basically they're saying that there's going to become a bill in front of Congress that says hedge funds can't buy single-family homes to rent out. And I don't know if they're going to have to sell them. I don't know what is going to happen, but it just that's in the media right now. That could be good, right? It could be good, especially for Las Vegas. And we're like our own island here. What else is going on? Well, just the median price. I want to address that. As of November, it was $455,000. But as of today, it's 445,000, meaning that the homes that are selling today are selling for less than they did. That same home was sell for less than it sold last month. And not to panic if you sold somebody a home, because the statistics, you have to look at the big picture, not a 30-day picture. But most people are staying in their homes now 13 years. That was the average the last time that NAR published what the average life expectancy in a home was, so to speak. So you have to be aware of that. And so the market is a 10-year cycle, and we're going to see that in just a minute, because I'm going to show you. Let me get my chart here for the interest rates, because this is something that is going to help everybody. So if you look at, and Buffini and Dr. Young talked about this yesterday. So if you look here at the interest rate update, in 2020, the interest rate was 3.72%. In 2021, it went down to 2.65%. And of course, everybody says we're never going to see that again. You never know. 2022, it was 3.22%. And then, my gosh, the peak this year was 8%. Now, I understand today, I looked up, and the interest rate today is 7.1. So to that point, the interest rates are going down. And what Buffini and Dr. Young are predicting is the projection for 2024 is to end up at 5.75, which is a tremendous rate. And so if you're selling a home today and the buyer's like, oh my gosh, the interest rate's 7%, well, you can tell them, hey, it's a possibility that, based on the market and your home equity and so on and so forth, in 2 years, you may want to consider refinancing. But 7% is really not a bad rate. It really isn't. And what Buffini said, even that, 6% is really more of the mean over the years. Yeah, 6%. I know. When you look at the 2.65, that'll never happen again, so they say. The 3.22, I don't think that's going to happen again. I think we're going to end up, like Buffini said, in the 5 to 6% range. And in 2024, 5.75 is really a gift. It's really a big gift.